In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add favorite in TradingView. By the end, you'll have your chosen indicator or tool saved to your favorites, so you can access it quickly whenever you need it. First, open TradingView. Next, click Indicators on the top toolbar. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel so you can search the full list. Now, in the search bar at the top of this panel, type the name of the indicator or tool you want to favorite. As you type, TradingView will filter the results below. You'll see matches appear under categories like built-ins or community scripts, depending on what you searched for. When you see the exact indicator or tool you want, move your mouse to the right of its name and click the star icon. The star will turn solid, confirming it's been added to your favorites. This action doesn't change anything on your chart. It simply bookmarks the item so you can get to it faster later, which helps avoid mistakes while you're exploring different options. At this point, it will appear in your Favorites tab. You can glance to the top of the same panel to see the Favorites tab and confirm the item is listed there. Anytime you star additional indicators or tools, they'll collect in this same Favorites area for quick access. That's all you need to do. You open TradingView, clicked Indicators on the top toolbar, searched for the indicator or tool, clicked the star icon next to it, and it now appears in your Favorites tab for easy access whenever you need it. You've successfully added a favorite in TradingView, and the setup is complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.